yes na yes. Pwede kang tumanggap ng payment sa client mo even if they're already using like PayPal or if they're more comfortable using Payoneer. As a matter of fact, pwede kayo mag-transfer from, let's say they're using Gusto, Deal, Wise, Stripe, or client mo to sa Upwork, or they're using their bank accounts para mag-send sa'yo direkta. Let's take for example yung experience ni Veronica. Yung client niya, nagpapadala sa kanya via Gusto, which usually takes about 2 to 3 banking days para makarating sa kanya. But when she used Parallax, it only took 2 hours. Parallax has been receiving feedbacks quite beautifully, if I may say. Kasi they take feedbacks, whether it's positive or negative, as an area to improve yung platform. And recently, they made a change that made all bank transfers a whole lot faster. I think isa to sa magaganda kapag ka startup businesses, tapos yung may-ari pa neto is freelancer din. So alam niyo yung experience natin bilang Pinoy freelancers receiving payments and all that. So napag-usapan na natin kung ano yung mga positive na experience natin as freelancers. But syempre, we can't forget to take into account ano naman yung experience ng mga clients pag magpapadala sila sa atin or pag mayroong mga ganitong changes, lalo na yung medyo may edad na yung mga clients. Na-experience ko yan ngayon because I'm moving all of my clients to Parallax. A lot of them are kind of leery, bakit kailangan natin magpalit. And so I explained na, client, tayo naman ay matagal-tagal ng may relasyon, ganyan. So sabi ko, baka sakali lang kasi ito, mas malaki yung nakukuha ko sa conversion, less yung fees for both parties. At in-explain ko sa kanya, I think ito yung pinakamagandang example na pwede kong ibigay sa inyo, is in-explain ko sa kay client na the good news about it is you don't need to set up a Parallax account para lang magpadala ka sa akin. Yun yung chika ko kay client. And doon na biglang nag-light up na yung mukha niya. So sa end ni client, sabi ko sa kanya, you can use any platforms that you're already using to transfer to another bank account that's within the US because I already have my US bank account. So for example, they will be using ACH transfer tapos they have Wells Fargo. You just need to go to that page kung saan nila ilalagay yung recipient's information. Tayo naman bilang freelancers at receiver ng payment, ibibigay natin sa kanila yung Parallax US bank account number natin. So, payment method is ACH. It's usually faster, safer, and less ang cost para sa mga clients natin. So, maganda siyang selling point, lalo na sa mga clients natin. Pag na-mention mo na less yung hassle and less yung cost. Normally, yung mga ACH, yung mga bank accounts nila, yung mga online banking nila, it'll just ask for the following information kapag ka magta-transfer sila. Recipient's legal name, account number, routing number, recipient's address. And then yung account type kasi natin sa bank account natin with Parallax is personal checking account. So yun lang, pagkalagay nila doon, transfer pack, ganun. It's actually as easy as 1, 2, 3. Halimbawa, Chase naman yung gamit nila na bank account. They just have to go to transfer money, external accounts, add external account, tapos i-add nila yung account nyo. After adding the account manually, all they have to do is choose the bank account information na ibibigay nyo sa kanila. Halimbawa, ako yung lumalabas sa akin, doon sa Parallax US bank account ko is Cross River Bank. So, hahanapin lang nila yun doon. And sobrang updated ng blog page ng Parallax. So, kung nahihirapan si client mo, meron pa sila dong screenshot ng paano nga ba mag-send kapag ganito. As in complete. Para sa akin, based on my personal experience, at napakita ko na rin sa inyo na ilang beses na ako nag-withdraw at nakakatanggap ng payment sa Parallax ko, I really believe na itong platform na to, it's, right now for me, this is the best platform to receive payments from my clients kasi nakikita ko na very progressive and aggressive sila sa pagbabago ng platform based on the need na binibring up sa kanila. They even have a chat box na pwede ka maglagay ng iyong mga suggestions and all that. And it's like tayong mga customer ng Parallax, tayong mga gumagamit ng Parallax, yung priority ng platform is based on our need, which is, I mean, diba? Kumpara naman natin sa PayPal, hinold ako ng 4 hours para lang i-hang up. I mean, yung ganong experience, I've never felt so happy with any other customer support that I have been getting dito sa platform na to. The way that they handle yung feedback na binibigay ko, I mean, that's really good for me. Malaking chunk siya para sa akin, lalo na kung malaki yung dumadating na pera. If you guys are considering na maglipat or maghanap ng bagong platforms to receive payments as freelancers, you might want to check out Parallax. Sign up na lang kayo guys. Eto pa, gusto nyo na mas magandang bonus. If you sign up, lalagay ko na lang yung link siguro sa Facebook page ko. Punta na lang kayo doon. If you sign up using that link, tapos naka-receive na kayo ng $500, Parallax will send you over $20 as a sign-up bonus. Meaning, pagka pumunta kayo doon sa link na nilagay ko sa Facebook ko, if you use that link to sign up, padala sa inyo si client ng $500, you guys will receive $20 as well as a sign-up bonus. So, di ba? Gusto nyo yun. Kapag nakapag-sign up na kayo at handa na kayo lumipat sa Parallax or naka-receive na kayo ng payment, comment na lang kayo dyan and comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!